Guys, it's time to mount up the spare tire on the Redcat Gen 8 Scout truck. So this tire is fully legit. I mean, it's absolutely totally usable. The same beadlock design and everything. I mean, this is a real tire as your spare. Sometimes different manufacturers give you a little, fake one. This is legit. Now let's get this thing mounted. And here are the instructions in the book. You got to put a 12mm hole in the body with preferably a reamer or some other way that will not rip the body. You really don't want to rip the body trying to drill it with a drill bit. So this is what I'm fixing to do, and let's poke some holes in that. According to the book, I've got to go right here and poke a hole up to about 12mm. Okay, so this is what you should end up with, and this piece right here goes into here, and then there's a little receiver right there where that goes in. Then you'll want to take your tire, put it on the hex, see if I can get that there, and you'll want to set this up to where it's right about there. You don't want it pushing up against the body, but you want it fairly close, like say right about there. I'll just find the closest hole and I'll put a screw into that, and then that's pretty much close to it. Oh, I've already got it lined up. Check that out. I don't really see in the instructions exactly what screw goes where, but as best I can make of it, this secures that in place, and that secures your tire onto that. Once the mount is secured inside the body, you just put your tire over top, set it up, and then that screw goes in and holds your wheel on. And that's it. Simple and easy. And if you happen to have a blowout on the trail, you actually have a legit spare tire that you can put on. Always pays to have a spare tire. And there you go, guys. Spare tire is on, fits well, and looks pretty darn good. Okay, so mounting up the spare tire was actually pretty easy. The most intimidating part was putting that hole in the brand new body. Make sure you use a reamer or something that's safe to make that hole, because I'd hate to see you guys actually rip the body and really tear it up. But overall, pretty easy. Guys, thank you all for watching.